Myself Vaibhav Alvyas. Welcome to all the students in online classes. Today I take online classes for class 4 subject EVS chapter 1, and the chapter name is going to school, and this is the first part of this chapter that I discuss you. First of all, I want to know from all the students that do you like to going to school? Yes or no? I think all students like to go to school. and and I also think that they use various facilities to going to school, like by van or school bus or with parents, and there are also various types of facilities they use for going to school. But in some states students are facing lot of problems for going to school. I think in your mind there is a question are going that how they are facing lot of problems in some states for going to school, because due to heavy rain, it creates a lot of problems for the students. But you also know that the heavy rains never stop the students for going to school, and the students are belonging from which state they are facing? In Assam. As you know, how they used to go to school, what materials they used for going to school in heavy rain? Material name is bamboo bridge. In Assam they use bamboo bridge for going to school. Bamboo bridge. It rains so much where we live. It rains so much where we live. In Assam it rains a lot, as you know that. Sometimes after the rain there is knee high water everywhere. कभी कभी वर्षा होने के बाद इतनी वर्षा हो जाती है कि आप लोग देखे होंगे कि एकदम घुटनों जैसा एकदम पानी इतने भर आती है. But that does not stop us from getting to school. But these heavy rains never stop the Assam of the students of the Assam for going to school. You know how they cross the bridge for going to school? They hold one hand with books and other hand they hold the bamboo, and then they quickly cross the bamboo and the rope bridge to the school. Understand about bamboo bridge? Nice. Second is that trolley. What? Trolley. Where this trolley use? Trolley use in Ladakh. Where? Ladakh. How does the people or student use trolley? Just listen here. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The students of Ladakh every day cross the river to go to school. Every day, not a single day. Every day they have to cross the river for going to school. The river is wide and deep. The river is wide and deep. Wide means chauda, deep means gahra. And the river in Ladakh is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. There is a strong iron rope. Strong means, I think many students know about this strong. Strong means मजबूत, iron means लोहा, rope means रस्सी. लोहे की रस्सी होती है जो हम लोगों को नदी के उस पार कर देती है. On both the sides it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. दोनों साइड से ये टाइट से बंधी होती है. किससे बंधी होती है? मजबूत पेड़ से और रॉक से बंधी हुई होती है. There is a trolley. Listen here. Now the topic comes trolley. What is trolley? Trolley is an open box made of wood. Trolley is an open box made of wood. Trolley एक खुला बॉक्स जैसा है जो लकड़ी से बना हुआ रहता है. Trolley is an open box made of wood. Listen what I say. What is trolley? Trolley is an open box made of wood, and the trolley used in Ladakh. Basically, the students that cross the river for going to school, they use the trolley for reaching the school, because the river in Ladakh is very wide and deep. So they use the trolley for going to school. There is a trolley attached with the rope. Trolley is attached with the rope, and in trolley 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. How many students can sit in the trolley? 4 or 5. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the river. Who helps the trolley to move across the river? कौन ट्रॉली को मूव कराता है क्रॉस नदी के उस पार? पुली. कौन? पुली. We reach the other side of the river in a short time, and by this method we reach the school in a very short time. So understand, in Ladakh the students use what? Trolley for going to school. How they use trolley? Listen, once again I discuss you. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the side it is tied tightly with the strong trees or rocks. दोनों साइड से वो टाइट बंध जाते हैं, पेड़, मजबूत पेड़ से या तो रॉक से, बड़े बड़े पत्थरों से उनको क्या किया जाता है? दोनों साइड से एकदम बांध दिया जाता है. देयर इज ए ट्रॉली अटैच्ड विद द रॉप. और उस ट्रॉली को उस रॉप से अटैच कर दिया जाता है. 4 or 5 ऑफ अस सीट इन द ट्रॉली. कम से कम कितने लोग बैठ सकते हैं? 4 और 5. A pulley helps the trolley. And what helps the trolley to move across the river? Pulley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in a short time. Understand about the bamboo bridge and the trolley. And here I have given you homework that number 1 is, how is bamboo bridge different from trolley? You have to write the differences about the bamboo bridge and the trolley, how they are different from one another. How does students facing problems in Assam going to school? In second question you have to write the problems of the students in Assam for going the school. Understand, these are the 2 questions you have to done. Once again I repeat you that in Assam students use bamboo bridge for going to school. What they use? Bamboo bridge. Why they use bamboo bridge? Because in Assam it rains a lot and sometimes it creates a flood. But the floods or the heavy rains never stop the students of Assam for going to school. They use the bamboo bridge for going to school. How they use bamboo bridge? They hold books in one hand and bamboo with the other, and by this they quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to the school. Understand? Second is trolley. Where does the student use trolley? In Ladakh. You find the students in Ladakh basically use trolley for going to school. What they use? Trolley. And what is trolley? Trolley is an open box made of wood. What is trolley? Trolley is an open box made of wood. Why the students of Ladakh use trolley? Because every day the students have to cross the river. Every day they have to cross the river to get to school. And the river is wide and deep. Wide means chauda and deep means gahra. So they create very large problems for going to school. So they use this trolley for going to school. And in trolley 4 or 5 students can sit at one time. And what does the things that move the trolley to across the rope? These things was pulley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. Understand? This part 1. So thanks to all the students. Thanks very much.